Hello everyone, what is up and welcome back to the channel iRumors. Today's video, we are going to be unboxing the ROG Strix Arion, if I'm spelling it correctly. This is a NVMe SSD enclosure. So if you watched my video from last week, you'll know that I got the Lexa NM620 SSD. This is the enclosure that I'm going to be putting it in. So we're going to be unboxing it today and we're going to be taking a look at what is inside this SSD caddy. For the internal SSD, I already sort of know how it looks like, but this NVMe SSD exclusive is the first time I'm actually going to see it. So let's take a look at it and let's see. So here's the SSD. I got it for $39. So let's open it up. Yeah, let's slide the pen knife through, slide it in, and now unbox it. Now let's pull it out of the box. Oof, the unboxing experience is really premium. Okay, that is it for the box. Let's put it aside. And now the unboxing experience is really quite premium. Let's slowly remove this SSD caddy. That feels heavy. It's fully metallic, I think. Now let's remove it. Okay, let's put this aside for now. Now let's take a look at the internals. So firstly, taking a look at the internals, we can see that this is the Asus SIM ejector pin apparently. So yeah, we're going to be taking a look at it later. And down here we have a, okay, this is the, here you go, you can see a Republic of Gamers. This is the casing for the SSD enclosure, and this is a carabiner. Housing is metal, this is a nice rubber casing, and this is the carabiner also metal, but this is plastic. So let's put it aside for now. Remove it. We have down here. Here we have a USB-A to USB-C cable, and here we have the USB-C to USB-C cable. Let's remove it out, and here we've got the ROG quick installation guide. Might or might not be needing it later, but let's see. I mean, I sort of know how it works, so yeah, this is just the normal booklet that we have. Now let's put the manual back in. Now let's remove all of this out. The last thing we're going to take a look is at the product itself. Let's flip it out, start from enclosure, put it aside for now. Here is the ROG Strix Arion NVMe SSD enclosure. Wait, let's open it up. Okay, that is a pretty not so satisfying unboxing, so let's pull it out, and there we go. That is the NVMe enclosure. I would say it feels pretty heavy in hand due to its metallic structure, but it really is a solid build. And I think after I put this rubber casing on, it's going to be even more sturdy. Okay, that's hard to fit in. Okay, there is it. That was actually pretty hard to fit onto the enclosure. Sides are actually pretty loose, but just at the top and bottom are just quite sturdy. Us setting up the SSD into the enclosure and setting it up will all be in another video. And I've got my usual SIM ejector tool. I'm not using the Asus one that they give. So let's just push it in. Once in, open it up. Okay. And as you can see here, there's a small thermal pad over here. It's a small screw over here. That means we have to use a screwdriver for us to open it up and screw the SSD back in place. Let's get it back in place. Fixing the case back does not require a SIM ejector pin or screwdriver, but when you want to take it out again, you gotta press it and the mechanism just pops up just like so. You can see this is the mechanism. As for the technical specifications of this is a USB 3.2 Gen 2 Type-C NVMe SSD enclosure, and this is up to 10 GB of read and write per second, but that definitely depends on your SSD as well. Because if your SSD is actually having a lesser read and write speed than the maximum capacity on your SSD enclosure, then your SSD enclosure will not be used up to its full potential. So yeah, that's actually been it for my unboxing of the ROG Strix Arion NVMe SSD enclosure. Definitely, like I say in all my unboxing videos of mine are not specifications or product intensive. Opening up the product, taking a look at it, and that's it. Into something in depth like seeing how the transfer speeds are, how it's working, and all of that will definitely be coming up, but that will be coming up in the later video on my review of the ROG Strix Arion. I'm not sure how long the review will be taking because I definitely got to be using it up. This SSD enclosure is not something new, but I just want to do my review and my part of me using it and how is it performing in 2024. That's what I'm going to be telling all of you. But review, like I said, will take time because this is also my first time, so I'm going to be using it, see how it works and all of that. Thank you so much for watching. Like button, get subscribed, turn on notifications so you can notify whenever I post a video. With that, thank you so much for watching and I'll catch all of you in the next one. Bye.